Welcome back to another announcement video where I will be announcing what else I will be racing in 2021. My name is David Pittard. I'm a Nürburgring champion, international racing driver and driver coach with over 20 years experience in the motorsport industry as well as all-round petrol head. Today is a very exciting video because I'll be announcing what else I'll be driving in 2021, where I will be driving, who I'll be driving with and what you can expect to see from those events later this year. So what do we already know? In 2021, I'll be competing in the NLS Championship and Nürburgring 24 Hours with my teammates Christian Conyers and Ben Tuck. That's 11 races already, so it's already set to be a busy year. However, my second announcement is I'm super pleased to announce that I'll be driving for Walkenhorst Motorsport in the GT World Challenge European Endurance Championship, including the Spa 24 Hours in 2021. I'm even more excited to be pairing up with BMW factory drivers Sheldon van der Linde, DTM race winner, and two-time DTM champion Marco Wittmann. I'm very excited to partner with these two guys. They're two of the fastest guys that BMW have on their factory driver lineup, and I think together we have a strong lineup to compete for great results in the championship and also the Spa 24 Hours as well. So starting with Sheldon. Sheldon is a 21-year-old South African driver who is the first South African driver to drive in DTM Championship as well as the first South African to win a race in the DTM Championship. In 2018 he came third at Spa 24 Hours, the year that Walkenhorst won the race, and also finished runner-up in the ADAC GT Masters Championship driving with his brother Kelvin. He will be also racing in the DTM Championship and Nürburgring Championship in a separate BMW team, so it'll be interesting to drive with Sheldon in one championship, yet fight against him in another championship. And Marco is a 32-year-old BMW factory driver who's been with the brand for over 8 years. He's the youngest two-time DTM champion, winning the championship in 2014 and 2016. His connection with BMW goes way back to 2008 when he competed in the Formula BMW Single-Seater Championship. He also will be competing in a rival BMW team on the Nordschleife as well, so it's going to be interesting to fight with him in one championship and then drive with him in another championship. I can't wait for the challenge. The championship also races at some legendary European circuits. We go to Monza for 3 hours in the middle of April. We go to Paul Ricard for a 6-hour event at the end of June, which is kind of like the dress rehearsal for the Spa 24 Hours. The Spa 24 Hours is in its normal place at the end of July, and then we go to the Nürburgring GP circuit in September, and then finally in October going to Barcelona to round the season off. Some legendary circuits on there, and I think it will be great for the endurance and GT racing. I think it's going to be a great fight and a great way to send the M6 off in its final year of racing. So make sure you give this video a like if you're excited for the season to come. There's going to be plenty of racing to come on the channel from multiple different championships all across Europe. There are going to be a couple of clashes with NLS races and the GT World Challenge Championship, and this year the GT World Challenge Championship is going to take priority for that. So make sure you stay subscribed to the channel so you don't miss a thing on the season to come. Whilst you're here, make sure you check out this classic onboard down here. Make sure you check out my Intercontinental GT Challenge vlog down here as well, and stay subscribed up here. Until next time, bis dann.